DIYers, happy holidays! I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some corrugated cardboard ornaments, and we're painting them with Extreme Sheen from Deco Art and Craft Twinkles to give them a little bit of sparkle. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some corrugated cardboard ornaments. You can get corrugated cardboard at almost any stationery store. Comes in a big roll, so have a big party and get everybody to come over and make ornaments. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.